Hello friends, and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master. And in this video we are going to learn, or you can see we are going to figure out that how to replace the carbon shoe of any mixer. Actually the problem is when we connect this mixer grinder to the main line, it doesn't work actually. Sometimes it spark little bit, and some sort of sparking goes inside the motor and little rotation comes out. But the problem is, uh, after observing all these things, I can figure out that the problem is of the carbon shoe. So let's see what is how we can change it. So we have removed the back cover of the mixer grinder, and as you can see that this is the condition of the old carbon shoe. You can see that old carbon shoe is already got burned completely, and this is a pair which we have brought from the local market. Now we will replace it and see whether the mixer gets work again or not. So these are the new one. So let's fix these carbon shoe inside the motor. So basically in a mixer grinder motor, these are the holes, or you can say point, where we need to fix these, right? So this one from here and another one from here. Completed the replacement of the carbon shoe. As you can see, both the sides have completed. Now we are going to test it without putting the back cover. So all we just need to put the cable into the output socket, and then so the work has successful. So let's put back that cover into the main frame. So guys, this is how we can change the carbon shoe of any sort of mixer, grinder, juicer at our home. I hope